All right, folks, if you can see me, hey, good evening. It is Halloween. It's 2024, not Halloween. It's Halloween tomorrow night anyway, but we're doing this for Halloween. And this is an annual tradition I have for this chemistry class at WAVA. And I kind of tie it to the quantum that we just learned about. It happens to be that time with a special Halloween twist. So I have some assistants here. Let me introduce them. We have Alpha with the pink and glasses, and Bravo looking all nice and snug and cozy in the lab coat. Hey, Bravo, wave, wave. Yeah, that's it. You're Bravo. So, Alpha, what are we going to do tonight? Put your goggles back on.
Am I Alpha?
You're Alpha.
I'm Alpha.
Well, tell us, what are we going to do?
We're going to make an experiment of a pumpkin spitting out something that I do not know what it's called.
Well, what the stuff is called? It's called glow-in-the-dark powder, folks. So what we're doing, you've seen elephant toothpaste, you've seen devil's toothpaste, but you probably have not seen Sherwin's glow-in-the-dark puking pumpkin. Because look, that right there, our special ingredient, as you can hear the shrieks of Alpha all nice and happy, is some glow-in-the-dark powder that I've been charging under a bright light for about 4 hours now. All right, so what we have here, this is actually a mixture of a hair developer that has the glow-in-the-dark powder in it. A hair developer has large concentrations of hydrogen peroxide in it, which is what is used to kind of activate all the bubbles. And I have some soap to make it bubbly. And there we have just a yeast solution. And then there is our jack-o'-lantern. And so we do a different jack-o'-lantern every year, and we see what's going to happen. So I'll first pour in the hair developer. It's probably going to make a mess. All right, hair developer, again, good. Not making a mess so far. And then I'm going to pour in the yeast and see how fast I can do it quickly. Pour in, put the lid on, and see what happens. I'll have to turn the light off as soon as I can. There we go. There's that. Yep, and it's foaming. It's supposed to be foaming. Okay. All right, so far so good. There we go. It almost looks like a vampire this time. Kind of hard to see the glow, isn't it?
Can I turn on the light?
No, you have to have the light off. You want to see the glow. Oh, that's glowing. Oh, it's coming out the top. It's coming. It's coming out the top. Why are you coming out the top? It lifted the head up. There we go. Coming out the eyeballs. There we go. This is not okay. It's different. It's different this year. Every year we try something different, so it gets a bit different every year. There we go. Light on. Woo! Oh yeah. Hey, that looks almost like a. It's like I got a comfy little stocking cap on for ready for Christmas.
With it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. This stuff might burn your fingers. I should wear gloves and I didn't. Shame on me. All right. So, hey, well, we got our puking pumpkin here. It's our puking pumpkin. It's very interesting. Turn off the flash again if I can. But the goal of this... Wow, it will not let me turn... There we go. The goal of this is talking about quantum spectra and talking about, the theme fun of Halloween. And remember, with quantum emissions, we talk about quantum and talk about electrons. You got these electrons. They get excited. They get extra energy, and they jump up to a higher energy level. Yeah, that was my kid's hand. And so when they jump up to this higher energy level, shh, I know you're excited too. You're excited electron right now. And so when they jump up to this higher energy level, eventually they got to get rid of that energy. They have to get rid of that energy. And they get rid of the energy by spitting out light. And so when I was charging the glow-in-the-dark powder under a bright light for a couple hours, it was charging. It was making all these electrons in that powder excited. And then we added the chemical combination, and there's steam coming off this because it's a chemical reaction. Back up, kids. Back up, Alpha and Bravo. So it was spitting off light in the form of this glow stuff as it was actually coming back down. So there you have it. Puking pumpkin, looks more like a glow-in-the-dark Santa Claus this year. Santa pumpkin. Okay, that's kind of cool. 2024. Hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty good. So thank you, Assistant Alpha and Bravo. Happy Halloween, folks.